So hello everyone, my name is Payal Singh and today's topic is impact of AI on jobs and future job basically. So what is the main scenario behind that? Okay. So first of all, I wanna tell you that this is a topic that I earlier spoke on. So I repeat it, and I don't have any type of particular knowing that disadvantages and advantages, but I conclude with that. Okay. So start with what is AI. We all know that there is something like we used more of technology sector and used something in advancement in technology and making the work more easier and faster. Okay, so that is called AI. And how this how this AI impact on the job, future jobs basically. Um, mm, Maybe this can take place of humans, or we can say that this is a rumor actually that can robots take place the humans, or maybe after 20 or 30 years we can say that robot can do everything what humans can do. So in this point I want to tell you that no, correctly no, because we all know that if I say that what is the algorithm that followed by particular chat GPT or any type of software tool or an AI tool, definitely they know some instructions and they know some algorithm that the fit by humans. Okay, let's suppose if like I can take the example from the past from the past COVID and COVID pandemic period, which in which we can say that the new variant came after every 3 months or 4 months, and we can't able to justify to normalize it or understand it easily. Okay, maybe so many new scientists and engineers work on that and continuously expanding the things, and yes, changing medicines with the changing variant as well, and deduct that which variant is captured or what are the causes symptoms of that variant. Okay, that is called a variation. It variation came from humans, not AI generated technology. And according to me, AI generated technology can't regain that algorithm. For example, if I set algorithm or a particular data into this chat GPT or something like robot machine who take care or who test the COVID, have a particular pattern that there are limited 5 patterns, that if you get any pattern in any candidate, sorry, not candidate, in any patient, then definitely they are gonna be considered as a COVID patient or positive patient. But for example, if there is a new variant came, can't recognize by ChatGPT or any type. Sorry, why I taking ChatGPT? Can't recognize by any AI tool. So what can I do next? Maybe it can causes varied problems, and maybe it get spreaded very quickly. So it is also causing one of the greatest pandemic. Okay, so that's why humans are needed, and I can say that we need robots need humans to set algorithm. Without algorithm they can't work out. Okay, they can't get automatic structure without you. Okay, so that's the thing. Yes, definitely if we set us on the automatic zone and at a different age, then it is called as an harmful for us. Okay, so came to the point that yes, it affecting jobs. Yes, first of all, say advantages, that yes, how it impact on the positive point or on a positive view towards industrial sector or in tertiary sector. So first of all, I want to tell you that this created opportunities in employment generation. Okay, that is very root cause of our Indian economy, because we are facing lot more problems or issues in related to employment generation, because most of the youth in rural areas, urban areas are trying to get their jobs and have degrees. So very much employment and unemployment. So that's a root cause, and we work on that. That AI generated tools can create technologies, data analysts, data science. These all of new things came into the market. Okay. Second thing, second thing is it reduces time. Okay, it saves our time into that thing which are now can done by uh, can done by AI. Now we are substitute to different things. Okay, we can expand towards creativity. We expand new things that we are not have a time to get into. So now, right now we have a time. Third thing, definitely it improves our education sector as well. Now the technology has improving various things. Now we can connect or we can get internship easily from outside, or there are a lot more tools that help you very different purposes. Like now I can say that uh, it is it is something like developing technology definitely created something very good. Okay, it saves time, it expands your knowledge, it boosts our sector, it boosts our economy as well, and gradually increases GDP as well. Okay, so that are the good points related to affecting uh, industrial sector. And yes, now we are more towards the automatic sector, where for example I can easily say industrial sector don't have such machines. Okay, we are the people who work with hands in 1980 or 88. After that we are now at the global level. The After the IPR, industrial revolution, after 1991 we are more towards liberalization and globalization, so that we can update ourselves with the economy and compete with them. Okay, with our things and with our creativity. So that is also, that's all. Okay, related to positivity. Now come to negativity as well. Okay, first of all, it yes, it reduced unskilled labor. So what about unskilled labor's employment opportunity? They are not getting the jobs, so what they can do? So that's a negative point. Second thing is that extra use of AI can cause distraction, less of I think so. It is also affect the, it's also affect the child health also. Okay, third, which one is left? Unskilled labor, technology reduces time. Yes, we have now to so much aware of cyber crime and cyber problems. Okay, because now we are have towards more towards technology, AI technology. So it's also increasing cyber attacks, cyber bullies. So we should know and have a great cyber security related to this sector. Okay, so that's why this is also an installment, or be aware about the things that getting used, because now the apps are using in different ways or in a wrong ways. I can say that your picture can be used in different ways, so that is also causing a big issue. Next thing is that the, I think so that's all. Okay, this is all about how this can impact our industrial sector, definitely. And what are the possible solution of it? Okay, first, training centers. Okay, for unskilled labor, they should know that how the machine should work on the basis of AI, so they can easily understand or get the work. Second thing is that second thing is awareness related to their technology, because technology rising very rapidly and the people are not much aware of it. That's why they are getting cyber bullies and cyber attacks, cyber crimes. So we should aware, mostly girls and even everyone aware of this thing, so that they can know that who are not good. Okay, third thing is or what is the problem faced by us? Fourth is not. Third one is adapting. Okay, adapt the technology and don't use excessive way. Okay, because this AI can destroy it you if you are using excessive. Okay, don't use it in excessive way. Use it in a normal way, or get the things done by that, because it is very helpful in education sector also. We can learn new things, and we can communicate. For example, I have to improve English, so I can communicate with ChatGPT, so that so that I have a partner to talk with and to communicate with. So that is also a good point. Even you want to represent or you want to make a presentation, that definitely helping you in everything. Okay, so that's also a key point of AI. But in industrial sector, I will talking about. So that is also one of the thing that yes, it create employment opportunity for the skilled workers, for the knowledgeable workers, but not for the unskilled labor. They are now have to substitute their thing. Okay, so there is one line that I recall, that it definitely created space for the knowledgeable and the more educated person, and yes, it reduces the space for the unskilled things. Okay, so that is also, it is not blocking your employment opportunity, is created to a different thing. It is a shifting of to shifting towards skilled labors. Okay, and according to me, this is very very crucial step regarding when we want to become a developed economy. We should concentrate on more on education sector, and we should be educated more. So that is a very basic point according to me. Okay, that's all. That's all according to me. Thank you so much. Bye.